Hi everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Coding, and today we are solving find the rows with maximum number of ones. Another question which has been asked by Google multiple times. So it's a very easy question, and the question is that we have to find the row with the maximum number of ones when the row is already sorted in an ascending order. So the zeros are going to be first and ones are going to be in the end. And if no row as there's no one exists, then we'll just return -1. Okay. So how to solve this question? We'll basically have two approaches to solve this question. Let's start with the first one, which is the more like the brute force approach. So we'll just travel to the matrix, just traverse directly for each single row from the top, and we'll count the number of ones, and we'll just store whatever has the maximum number of ones is going to be the row with maximum number of ones. So in our case, the first row will have 3, then the next will have 1, and the next will have 0. So this row will have max number of ones. So this is the brute force solution. The time complexity of the solution is equals to big O of n into m, which is the number of elements, and the space complexity is going to be big O of 1. So no extra space will be taken. So now we'll take it to the optimal solution for this question. So the optimal solution. So whenever you hear that the rows are sorted, I think the first thing that comes to mind is binary search. So yes, that will be the optimal solution for this question. So how that will work is simply we'll take a single row and then we'll do a binary search on that row to find the first occurrence of the number 1. So basically, whenever there's the first occurrence of the number 1, we'll know that all the ones after that are gonna be ones. All the numbers after that are gonna be ones because the numbers have been arranged in an ascending order. So if we find the first occurrence, we know that all the others are gonna be 1, and we don't have to check for all the other ones. Simple as that. So the binary solution code is very simple. I'll just put it in the comments down below. And the time complexity for this question is gonna be big O of n cross log m. Log m for binary search on each of the row, and big O of n for the number of rows. And the space complexity is again going to be big O of 1. So guys, that's it for this question. We'll meet you in the next one.